Hello guys, welcome to Startup Hustle. My name is Kwame Twumasi. I have the exact same tutorial by using a different product example in the description section below in English. So if you do not understand a country, please go to the description section and click on the link to watch the English version. Hello ebusuafo, I'm Sama Akwababa Fofoofo TV so wasom for Kwame Twumasi nie. Amonfo bebre DM me no mpese me kyerɛ how to give prices to your products. Wakwakofa enyema opese otono. What sort of price tag do you give to your product? We have a general formula everyone uses. I think most people do not know this. So when you get your product now, one can be a calculation doing what sort of price tag to give to your product. Okay, so we have a formula, okay, a formula you use, and the formula is that before you can actually give a price to your product, and also the cost involved, cost of goods, okay, the cost involved, and a winner formula na you use into cost, equals the product's materials plus labor. It's a product materials now, so okofa onyema no, here your onyema no cost including shipping, packaging. Every cost involved na say osising we nyina down we are so will be a oye adwuma ma ona ahina wutua ni pa krono ana ni pa krono so productivity ahina nyama no ahina otumi ton so calculate we nyina na hu the cost involved per product. Unya this cost now we need to determine how much you can sell your product for. I'm going to give you an example so you guys understand. In see I am fan say makwakofa bag we mpese me beton. Okay, so what sort of price do I give to this product? Before then, let's calculate the cost of goods, the cost involved to get this product. And to show Hannah, my a bit of calculations. Remember, calculations when boom are really easy. Okay, and see this is like to the basic level so everyone can understand. I know say sometimes the material costs there are a lot involved, but you find say this is the cost in regards to buying this product. And to show Hannah, I divided the cost involved into material cost and a labor cost. Into material cost, said me purchase say bag when bitoba could be 10 Ghana cedis. Okay, matter 10 Ghana cedis it cost me an extra 10 Ghana cedis to ship the bag from Achiaa China to Ghana. Minsaka bag in this one I was semi promoting into infant say Achiaa metia 20 Ghana cedis to Facebook to advertise the bag for me. Okay, make creative Facebook ads. Then so for each bag, it be cost me 20 cedis to do the marketing. I face so bit of bag now. I mean to me for bag in cranny I will send me what a bit of package and branding. Into per bag beyond packaging, it cost me extra 2 Ghana cedis. This numbers me and boom team show and yet the exact same price. Okay, this is so you guys can understand. Okay, and see the total material cost cost you 42 Ghana cedis. Say the muhano. All right. You material cost, now for labor cost. Labor cost, you say ya employ Kwame K Twumasi or ye ejuma amao. Okay, Kwame K Twumasi bosumi biano utianika 1,000 Ghana cedis a month. All right, and every bosumi biano or ye ejuma 5 days a week, which means or ye ejuma from Monday to Friday, not the Saturday and Sunday home. In every month, we have 4 weeks. Into so ye juma 5 days per week now, or be juma 20 days every month. Into uchuaneka 1,000 Ghana cedis, or be juma 20 days every month. Now every day, or to me turn back 25. Into Kwame Twumasi or ye juma pie into every day in one ton kwano. Which me turn back 25. And to busumi no bekwe na Kwame Twumasi aton backs back 500. Now to calculate the labor cost, you be divided this 1,000 Ghana cedis that utia Kwame Twumasi every month, divided by how many bags of beton. Into be equals to 1,000 Ghana cedis divided by 500 bags, which will give us a labor cost of 2 cedis. 2 cedis way air patch set for every bag bia Kwame beton. Air cost still 2 cedis. To pay Kwame Twumasi to sell 1 bag. I hope say in Tiasia please comment below and I'll take my time and explain to you. And yet really easy. And now if you're a business person you need to know your numbers. When your numbers are then I don't know why you are in business. Also to me depend paper to now to make sure how much is costing you to sell each product. Okay. And since you material cost, you labor cost. And to calculate for your cost, material cost cost you 42 cedis and a labor cost it cost you 2 cedis per bag. Into your cost it be 44 Ghana cedis. This is meaning the bag biano, the complete bag I bet cost you 44 cedis. So now to give the price I will see making sure say our price is greater than this 44 Ghana cedis. And yes, we are not in business. Yes, sir, boka, and yes, sir, we are in charity. We are charity, Juma. So, we product be down with town info. So, be creating so you are not in business. You are running a charity NGO and a charity company. Okay, so now our price, we have to make sure is greater than 44 Ghana cedis. I hope say in Tiasium. And your cost involved. Now, let's look at how to give prices to our products. Into about prices now, we have different sort of prices scenarios in our pricing model. Into go through now. Okay, into with the pricing models you'll be a friend of commodity, you'll be a friend of perceived value, you'll be a friend of market price, you'll be a friend of competitive. Okay, into let's go through one by one. Into about commodity now, this is like the general rule of pricing. A commodity can be any product. Okay, so to give like a price tag to your product, formula we are is what everyone uses, and the general formula everyone uses, but things that most people do not know, so most people do not use this. Okay, so to calculate for the wholesale price, if I say back on your say a ton of wholesaler, the wholesale price is going to be the cost that you calculate times 2. That will give you your wholesale price. And if I say be a bags on your ton of retail price now, I bet the wholesale price times 2. So this should give you a point as to sell a ton bag on wholesale, as to sell a ton bags on retail. This is the formula you have to follow. When your suggestion, this is the rule at Dawa everyone needs to follow. Are people following it? No, because most people do not know. Okay, so wholesale price is the cost of the product times 2. Retail price is the wholesale price times 2. Now let's go and look into like the real example. Into bag when it costs you 44 Ghana cedis, so they calculate into your per retail your per wholesale price now is going to be 44 Ghana cedis times 2. Into bag way ye kasa ye ton ye beton wholesale 88 Ghana cedis. So and ye kasa ye ton retail na a be wholesale price of 88 Ghana cedis times 2, which is going to be Ghana cedis 176. Obi a machine or say hey na my board in papa. So this is where most people fall short. If you are not selling your product as to wholesale 88 and our retail 176 now, you are losing. Okay, you are losing a lot. Most big companies they follow this, and with this price margin maybe to me allow if the market is slower, you can actually run a bit of sales, ABR 10% off, 15% off, 5% off, 20% off. We are all these sales now, you should be making a bit of profit here. So if you don't know how to give a price tag to your product now, this is the general formula. Really easy. Now let's move on. Send them a kind of be a machine. Yeah, do most people follow this exact same commodity pricing model? No. Yeah, it be markup. You can say markup your profits on each item. So they can say wholesale on your times 2. But this is what most people are using. And instead of say on bet times 2 the wholesale price, the cost times 2, it be called low as to 1.5. It be called 2. It be called a bit high as to 2.5. So this is what most people are doing. You'll be busy your friend profit margin. So with the commodity, instead say AB on times 2, and on times 3, and on times 1.5, if you better say, okay, I just want to make AB a 30% profit margin. And say, no, let me quickly calculate with you guys. And TM say my fabric calculator, okay. And TM say bag no cost you 44 Ghana cedis, okay. And I don't want to use the commodity pricing model. Per se, use a price margin. Okay, per se, I just want to make a 30% profit margin on the product. Into another 44 plus ABM finance per se make it 30% profit margin plus 30%. Mimia equal to into 13.2 we know who we the better or profit. And it's up at 30% margin on your cost now. With ton back could be I would say at least with 30% profit margin, I will also make it 13 cedis to 20 pesos. Okay, 13 cedis 20%. I also ton bag no to say mimia equal to the son. Also ton bag no back could be 57 cedis and 20 pesos. People do this, okay, but when you do this, you are just making your products really cheap. And in the long run, if the market is slow now, you'll not be able to run sales, if that makes sense. Because ABI, I just want 50% margin. And see again, your cost of bargaining 44 plus 50%. Yeah, which means you'll be making 22 Ghana cedis on every bag I would turn bia, okay? So this would be your profit. And your call equal to also turn bag could be 66 cedis to make your profit of 22 Ghana cedis. So this is profit margin, and most people use this instead of some cost times 1.5, cost times 2, and our cost times 2.5. I hope so you get the calculations here. We amount, okay? So most people also use profit margins. So now this is the pricing rule, pricing model for commodity. After you share another pricing way, you'll be a friend of perceived value. ABI, you've built your brand to a certain stage. People respect your brand, okay? And see, in regards to this, do you follow the commodity pricing now? Say, I'm for value your brand. You can be able to ABI go times 4 and times 5, because you say people know your brand, people respect your brand. And see, I share all these brands in fashion with the same bag and with the same quality, since they've got their brand on it, yeah, they can sell this bag for ABI 500 Ghana cedis, because they know say Obisha, because with your share friend is saying ABI Gucci or Chanel, and no one can count sanity. So if people see your brand to be high now, yeah, to be high and quality now, with the exact same bag, with the exact same product cost, say their cost still, you'll be able to mark it up by XXXXX. Baga Ubeton 88 Ghana cedis, maybe 1,000 Ghana cedis, and trust me, people will buy. Okay, you'll be giving your friends a market price. And to be right now, instead of going with the commodity price, what they do is they go on the market and do a bit of research. And with the same bag, with a similar bag, I hear other retailers are selling their bags for. And your friend is your research, Kwame Twumasi same bag, instead of 88 Ghana cedis, me Tommy de bia 85, obi Tony de bia 90, obi Tony de bia 100, obi Tony de bia 17. And this research now, then they come up with a price, so they don't go too over the market price, and they don't go too low. They just find a price point in between. Most people also do this. When you find a market price, they compare like prices around and also come up with a price. This is if you don't want to follow the commodity price ruling, okay? And last but not the least, it will be a fairly competitive price. With this price model, I do not suggest any small business to do this. And so, way is for the big companies. And TFN say you are new in the game. You also want to sell the exact same bag. And so, maybe Tommy the 88 Ghana cedis. I'll be to Marco, so the beton the your friend is saying 50 Ghana cedis. Cheap, so a lot of people can come to you. But with this pricing model, you are in business, and I do not suggest this. If you make your product so cheap now, it's going to be really difficult for you to increase the price in the future, if that makes sense. Yes, I'm a customer, they be a top bag way 50 Ghana cedis from you. Now one day me ba no catch them so turn bag now I'm 80 Ghana cedis. Of course I mean to make us say hey and so nyama bonai dem papa. So you do not go so low. I guess it's going to be really difficult for you to increase your price in the future. But when you go high now, it's going to be easy to decrease. You can always run sales. So I do not recommend any person starting to go with the competitive price just because you want people to see your brand. Big companies can do this. If I say be a high sense, you new a mobile Ghana. Mobile number 2 Samsung. So Nti ebia fridge Samsung beton 5,000 Hisense beton ebia 2,500 just cause they want people to come by. But when say Hisense and they are big, so if they are losing on the fridge now, they'll make the profit on the TV they are selling. If that makes sense. So with these big companies, they can do this because they'll lose somewhere, they'll make the profits on another product. But wow, we'll start to our Chapiason and I will start to a Tabro Alaji and I'll start to a Tantra Hill. Do not do this. Go with the commodity pricing, okay? And I'll go with the market value pricing. If you have any questions, please do not forget to comment below and I'll be there to help you out. In fact, say why you winning but still calculate your boka. In regards to this, I'll suggest that maybe you go back to your supplier, not only reduce your price name or Accra. Yeah, do not change suppliers because you know the quality of your product. So go back with your supplier and renegotiate the price with them on better so amount. And I'll try upselling. Abia as a bag no will lose your abia for necklace bigger bag no. Yeah, into uton bag na uluzuka cry, you make the profit on the necklace. Your friend upselling. I'll do another tutorial on that to show you guys later on. And now reduce your labor costs. And now my mom we use my amount either said ucho 1,000 or ubicho a bit less. And now I said they'll have to increase productivity. So ton bags on the 25 bags a day. I also to me ton ABR 30 bags a day. That'll reduce the labor your friend is and cost. Okay. And also your quadra, just get rid of them and bring someone that can sell the bags for you. Look into all this. And our location be now and change locations. There are a lot of ways or a lot of things you can do to make sure say you are making profit on the products you are selling. Okay, want to be BSC, just comment below and I'll be there to help you out. My name is Kwame Twumasi. Yeah, these are my contact details. Please contact me and I'll be there to help you out. If today is the first time I will buy please click on that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join this family. Okay, we have amazing content coming your way. I hope said comment below and I'll be there to help you out. See you some other time. Bye.